Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a little upgrade to the Cybertruck. I know a lot of people, when they see, like if you're used to buying a Tesla, you have black seats, you have white seats. With the truck, understandably, because it's a truck, black seats, they're the only option, even though you get white, like accent material on the inside. So today, thanks to EVBase, they sent out some black on white seat covers. I'm gonna put them on the truck today. I'll show you guys the process as well. I'm excited to see what they're gonna look like. I think it's gonna really make the inside feel like more open because of the lighter color. But I think they look great from unpacking them. They look cool. Let's put them on the truck. Let's see how they look together. So for reference, this is what the seats look like now. And here is the seat covers that we're putting on. And also, it's gonna protect the seats as well. This is gonna give you like a sneak peek vibe. Seat covers, one thing, change the look if you wanna have a different color. I'm just curious what the black on white's kinda gonna look like for an accent with obviously having the white panels on the doors right there. I'm curious to see what that's gonna look like. And also, they are white, so I'm curious how they're gonna hold up with being clean and stuff like that too, because obviously we use this truck on the road, we really kind of push it. So I'm curious how that's gonna play out and how just protecting the main seats in that regard too. Okay, don't mind the Whole Foods, we use that as a trash bag on the road, don't mind that. Front seats, they are done. The wrinkles, you can take a hairdryer to these and it'll smooth it out, but it's 45 degrees outside right now, so not the best time. So I'm waiting for it to heat up a little bit, and another day I'm gonna come out here, take a hairdryer to that with the outlet in the truck. It'll smooth the wrinkles out. But I didn't film it because I found some videos online that were actually super helpful for me. I'm gonna link them in the description down below. They made the install a whole lot more helpful, but these look, the panda kind of vibe with it. Again, wrinkles, they'll go away. It looks so good. Now it's time to start the back. But it's been a process. It's taken probably about an hour and a half to put these two on, but it was also a lot of learning. Super happy with how these look. Okay, all done now. I'm gonna be honest, that was about, for me, and no, I'm not a car person. I'm also OCD, so I wanted to look as good as possible, and there's probably a few parts that I missed, but it took me probably about 4 hours to do this. Again, I'll link some videos in the description down below that do like full-on step-by-step installs of this thing, because in my opinion, it was a lot better than the instructions, but it looks so good, man. I'm looking at it in the background. It looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. If you're willing to commit to the process, again, it took me 4 hours. It will probably take you a little bit less, but it was definitely a process. And again, highly recommend checking out the videos in the description for help. So shout out to those people for making those videos, because it helped me a ton. Let's show you guys, because even though it was not an easy process to put these things on, because they want to look as OEM as possible, not just like, oh, it's like they're seat covers, obviously, but you don't want them to look like seat covers. You want them to look like they came from the factory, installed like this. Because of that, that's why it takes so long, but they do look really good. Check it out. Again, this could be a lot easier a process for you than it was for me, but I know my music's gonna start playing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that down right now. But I am very happy. Let's back the seats up, because I literally just got done putting the back ones in. I am so happy with how this turned out. Again, I'm gonna take a hairdryer at some point to probably smooth that out, but honestly, with the sun blasting through the windshield, it will probably end up smoothing it out by itself. But you can get, EVBase has solid white seat covers also, but I love the two-tone. I think it looks really well. Also, this is not from them. They have a sleeve that goes over the armrest, but I have this really thick padded one, which is great for the road, so I left that one on, but it does come with a sleeve for that as well. But again, the seats are everywhere because I just got done doing this. I am very happy with how these look, and they're actually really soft too. Like, they look good. They seem like they're gonna feel good from the little bit I've sat in them while working on it. Let's show you guys the back also. The back was actually a lot tougher than the front was, and that's just because of trying to tuck in the seam down this, especially when you get down to this plastic part right here, and underneath and behind the cup holders, getting it underneath the seat. That was a process, but I personally like the two-tone look. It might not be for everybody having the black seat in the middle, because that's also a seat cover as well, both pieces. That look might not be for everybody, but I love the Panda Stormtrooper two-tone look. I think this actually turned out, again, I'm still catching my breath because it was a process, but I am still very happy with the results. I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you like black? Do you like solid white? Do you like this kind of in between? Let me know your thoughts. And there you have it. That is the seat upgrade for my Cybertruck. Again, big thank you to EVBase for sending these out. Even though it was one heck of a process putting these things in, and I was actually talking to their social media team asking for like advice and tips as well. And again, videos, huge help. but I am so, now that it's done and the process is over, I am so happy with the results. I think it turned out so good. So if you have a Cybertruck, and they also have seat covers for all the other Tesla stuff as well, I'll have a link. It should be an affiliate link in the description down below. You might be able to save a discount. If there's a discount, you can save with a code. I'll put it on screen right here because I cannot remember off the top of my head, as well as the link again. They have stuff for Teslas, I'm pretty sure Rivian. They have a bunch of different EV accessories. I think they have seat covers for all the different cars. So if it's something you're into, they also have custom colors for some of the models as well. And they also, for the Cybertruck, a black, like a red on black, like very sports car kind of vibe. I'm a fan of those. I really like this now that it's been installed, and I'm really happy with it, but there's some really cool options on their website. So again, there's an affiliate link as well. If there's a discount code, I'll have it on screen right here. So thank you to them for sending these out. I'm super happy with how they turned out. If you want to do it yourself, have at it. Just be prepared that it will be a process. Your mileage may vary on how long it takes, but if you're like me, you'll be very happy with the results. And again, they actually, compared to even just the regular Tesla seats, they feel really nice. So we'll see over time kind of how, I don't know why I'm holding the camera. I have my hand sitting on the window and I could just roll the window down. I'm curious to see kind of over time how heat and ventilation is going to work on it. We'll see. We will be taking it on a long road trip in the next few weeks, and then we'll be going to Florida for a lot in January and February. So obviously it'll be warm and cool down there. So we'll see how the ventilation does to the seat covers. They are, as you can tell, they're fully perforated. So they should be good for that as well as heat. We'll see how that plays in the long run. But from what I've seen, just messing with it, it seems like it's working. Again, time will tell for sure. But thank you all for watching. Check them out if you want to with the link in the description down below. Thank you to EVBase for sending these out. I am very happy with how they turned out. And I'll see y'all very soon with another video. Bye, guys.